It's not my channel.
It's yours now, go ahead.
Welcome to my channel, I'm Brianna.
This is the look.
That's a good outro.
This is a great outro.
I should have a YouTube channel.
You should have this YouTube channel.
Oh.
Okay. What's wrong with my bangs? No. No, hunty. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is 31 Days of Halloween with your Hallow Queen and this Hallow Queen.
Oh, hi.
So today we are doing this look. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. She's a flower queen, I guess. I don't know.
I guess.
What is it gonna be called?
Probably just like Mother Earth or something.
Mother Earth.
I don't know, because it's 31 Days of Creature, so I have to find some way to creature it.
Creature it?
Yeah.
Mother Earth. Flower queen. Whatever. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. We will get into how to create this look. If you are trying to recreate this, go to your Smith's or Walmart and buy some flowers. Wait, where'd you get these from?
Smith's.
Smith's! Let's get into the video.
Sound effects.
Sound effects.
Special effects.
I can't do any of that.
Bye.
All right, today our first step is to spray some setting spray down as a base for this beautiful look. She just got microbladed, so I'm covering her eyebrows with anything that I can. Now, we are using her kit, so I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation and just dot that all over her face head. All right, now I'm going in with Shape Tape. This is a mini Shape Tape. I forgot to grab the color, but I assume it's the lightest color they sell. So I'm just dotting that in places on her face where I want a little bit extra coverage. Then I'm going back in with the setting spray and covering her eyebrows and setting her makeup one more time. Now jumping into the Remember Me palette. First, I'm going into the color Perky and just setting that all over her eyes as the base shade. Now I'm going into Romance, and that is going to be used as my first transition color. So that's going to be pretty high up on your crease. Then you're going to go into Coquette, and you are going to place that a little lower on that crease, but still as a transition shade. The shape we are going for is very rounded, so you want to keep everything very circular. You're going to add amethyst on the edges, kind of do a shape like you're doing a halo eye. So add amethyst to deepen that up. And then Noir just on the crease on the outer edge. Then you're gonna go in the Floral in Bloom Highlight and Contour Palette, use the upper left highlighting shade to put on the lid. I'm just patting that on with my finger to make sure it keeps its big impact. Then you need a little bit of cleanup, so I'm going in with the brush and blending that highlight shade into the shadows, and then I'm going to go in with my C'est La Vie makeup wipe and kind of get off a little bit of the fallout that is purple that I can't brush away. Now going back into that highlight and contour palette, I'm using the lighter shade to contour up this Betty's little face. I'm just adding some bronzing in, and I'm really gonna contour and add most of the color in a little bit later. I'm also using that upper left highlight shade to define the brow bone and the inner corner of this makeup look. All right, here's the fun part. So you're gonna get a bouquet of flowers, and you'll pretty much want real flowers for this. You're not gonna want silk flowers. So you take a petal off, grab some eyelash glue, coat the back of the flower petal with the eyelash glue, and stick it to your face. I'm gonna do a very circular shape for this, and I am gonna have her hold a fan so that the eyelash glue sticks better. And I also found that using a latex free glue is no bueno. So if you are not allergic to latex, you'll definitely want a latex based eyelash glue, because it's gonna be tackier and dry better, and it's just a better hold in general. I'm really sorry that you guys can't see this eye, but you'll be able to see the next eye a lot better. Sorry about that. So a couple tips that I think are important: lay down your first layer, get really flat petals and lay them down flat, and then you can add more layers in using smaller petals for the second layer, and then add in little tiny petals for the third layer. It is so cute, and the definition is really, really nice. This look may be intimidating at first, but really it's very simple. It's very straightforward. So don't be afraid of this look. Now I'm putting on some false lashes. These are very cat eye false lashes, and they're really pretty. I did have to go in with a spoolie and kind of unstick her eyelashes from underneath the flower petals that I put down. So just make sure you're not sticking your lashes down while you're putting the flower petals down. Now time to get naked. Then I went in with the color number 20 from the Black and White Cosmetics lipsticks. Oh, she cute. Now on the inner corner, I just wanted a pop of glitter, because who would I be if I didn't put glitter on every look? So I'm just laying down a base of eyelash glue, not eyelash glue, glitter glue. Ooh, that would have been a nightmare. Glitter glue, and then I'm gonna pop some customized glitter right on top of that. Now I'm going into the Floral in Bloom blush palette. I'm going to be putting that all over her nose, all over her cheeks, on her forehead, and all over her chest and shoulders. And then I'm accompanying that with highlight from the highlight and contour palette, the top left, like I normally do, and just a little bit of the center pink. And that's all, folks. I'm obsessed. Okay, so that's how you create this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, I forgot my outro for a minute. Subscribe. Oh, subscribe.
Like the video.
What?
Thumbs up.
Like the video and thumbs up.
In the name of Jesus
In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Bye.
It's the best outro ever. I'm going to use that so hard. Hi, welcome to Utah. If you haven't seen a 4-year-old give their testimony. I should have made you more pink.
Yeah, no, it's actually
okay.
my skin condition that just makes me pinky.
Yeah, I have that too all over my arms.
Yeah.
So
it's not really a farmer's town.
It's not really that.
But it's Utah, so it's fine.
But you can't really tell, especially when I move like this. Anyway, find me on other social media. We have a whole family, and we're very active on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, other things. Google Plus? Is that still a thing? I have one. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.
Perfect.